Where to find the best sites. Snakes, spiders and insects. Howdy! So you want to know more about how to keep a dog out of a sandbox? These selected resources on the web might help you. The most helpful site to learn about how to keep a dog out of a sandbox is doverprojects.blogspot.com. See the page titled Dover Projects, How to Build a Sandbox with Seats. Here's the link. You can also try www.weather.com, especially the page How to Keep Your Cat Out of the Sandbox or Garden. Here's the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see mylifeandkids.com. The web page How to Keep the Cats Out of Your Sandbox, My Life and Kids. Here's the link.